Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. You guessed it, today we're working on the used oil burner again. I didn't make it to the store to get all the parts I needed, but we're going to push forward on it. Today we're going to burn in the air inlet tube where the fan will be mounted up and stuff. So I've already got the hole cut in the side of the tank. So let's get to working here. Alright y'all, you see over here, this is the tube that the air is going to come in and the oil. There'll be another smaller tube inside that one, and you can see it comes right down in, right into the center of our burn pot there. Got a nice angle there for it, and I'm going to make it a slip joint because I don't think I'll be able to get that burn pot up out to be cleaned and stuff if I just weld the pipe in. So I got this little piece of pipe here I'm going to weld in, and we'll put a thumb screw on the side of it there, or just a bolt and a nut welded to the pipe there to kind of catch it. So let me get the welder and everything set up. We'll get that all burned into place, and then we'll keep moving on here. So alright y'all, see I got that all welded in there. I got the thumb screw on it there. So she's all welded around. She's in there pretty good. I'm not worried about that gap in there. It shouldn't put too much back out. But the next piece to go on is this piece, which is just it's a piece of exhaust tube. And then our fan will mount out here. And the reason I went with this instead of the regular pipe is I want to get this out away from the burner itself, keep it away from the heat. But the next thing to do is, like up in here, I need to drill a hole in here to run my oil feed tube down in through. So I guess we'll get that hole punched, and we'll get that oil feed tube put down in there. Alright y'all, I think I showed you how this is going to work on here. This is the baffle here for how much air is going through, but this doesn't fit real tight on there, but it does fit in there nicely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice this thing down about halfway there with the grinder, and then it'll slip over the end of this pipe, and then I'm going to run a couple zip screws through it to hold it in place. So because originally I was going to do it like that, but I think that's going to be too much heat on this motor here. So that's why I'm putting the extension out here to try to get that cooler air away from, the hot air away from the engine or motor. It's electric. Engines are gas. So I'm going to grab the cutoff wheel. I'm going to cut a slab of that off there. We'll get her put on there. We'll bring you all back whenever we're getting that done. Alright y'all, got that piece cut off there. Got my piece here. I'm just going to slide it into the end of this thing like that. Makes a nice little spacer. And then maybe, there we go. Look at that. Oh, she slid back a little far. Uh-oh, struggle is real, my friends. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can't get that piece pulled back out of there, and then we'll screw her together. Bring her right back. All right, y'all. Took a little convincing there, but we got her. So I'm just gonna put one zip screw in the top here for right now. Maybe. I don't keep dropping the screws. Alright. Oh yeah, that should hold it. Now I'm going to run a couple on this one here too. I might put them on the sides because, can't get my impactor on the top, so But we're just wanting to hold it on there. You know, no big deal. It'll be alright. Alright, I think one will do it. I think she's on there pretty good, so we're going to leave it with the one. Plus my battery's going dead. But yeah, so there we got it. So we'll be able to open this up here and, you know, gauge how much air is going in. So, alright, next thing is to, we need to drill a hole back here to get our oil feed line down through, because it'll go down through and come out down there. So let me grab my drill and a drill bit, and we'll get that hole drilled. Alright y'all, got my hole drilled up here. I'm going to take a screwdriver and put in here and see if I can't flex this to try to get that line to go straight down in that hole. This hole's a little bit bigger than my line I'm putting in. No big deal. If I have to, I'll put a little sealant putty around there or something if it becomes a problem. It shouldn't, so let's get that copper tubing, and or it's not copper, it's nickel copper. It's alloy, for usually use it for brake lines, fuel lines, stuff like that. Should hold up to this heat, so because there's going to be cold air blowing in through here. So I'm gonna get the camera set up here so you guys can watch down there and see that line come out. So hang on. Alright y'all, hope you all can see. So see if we can get that sucker threaded down through there. Hey, right there she is. Look at that. Alright. I just need to mark that there and we'll get her bent up. Hey, I like that. Get my marker out here. Alright. Alright there. Alright guys, I think you can see there I got a little bit extra pushed down through, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up and kind of bend that down so it comes out more in the middle of this pipe here, and then we're ready to seal it up here at the top. Let me grab some pliers here and I'll get that bent and we'll see how she looks. Alright guys, you seen the other end down there? I think what I'm going to do up on this end here is I'm going to put a hose clamp on this end and see if I can't use that to hold that in place to keep it from moving around. I know it's going to move around a little bit with the wind. So, oh yeah, that'll work great. And then down here, oh yeah, she's still coming out almost dead center again. So, yeah, that'll be nice. So, alright, we got that. And then I'm just going to kind of bend this up a little bit. And then I'm going to cut it off up here somewhere. And I got rubber line that's going to hook onto there. Let me grab the valve and I'll show you all what I'm talking about. Alright y'all, I got this rubber line here. It'll stick on there. And then we're going to come up here with our drip feed. And that'll go there. And I have a barb fitting. It's on order. That'll screw into here and downsize it. I didn't want to bush it down, you know, put bushings in there. So I just ordered a brass fitting that has the barbs on it. That'll screw up into there. And then we'll just have a short piece of rubber line like that. And there's our sight tube. Goes in there. And then I have another barb fitting that's going to go in here. And that'll go up to our oil tank. So we got it. I mean, the only thing I got to do here is just cut this line here off, and we're ready to start mounting this stuff up. I think what I'm going to do is after I get that barb fitting, I see how you know, how much of a piece of line I need in there. It's just going to be a short thing, a couple inches. I may come off the side of the tank over here, over to here with a little rod or something, just to kind of hold that, and then the rest of it just goes up to our tank. So there we have it. We got we're well on our way. I mean, we're almost done here, hopefully. The next major things is welding the bottom on it. I still got to do the latch for the door. I got an idea how I'm going to do that. And then once we weld the bottom on, get the drip feed mounted up, cut the hole in the top for the chimney, and this thing's done. So I'm going to end the video here because I need to get in and get editing and get it uploaded. But yeah, we got our feed system all done up here. So yeah, we're ready to go. I appreciate y'all watching, and like, comment, subscribe. Leave me a comment down there, whether you like this or not. Appreciate everything. I read them all and try to respond to them all. So again, thank y'all, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.